Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Now, children, see what is written here. This is today's thought. Okay, hard work pays off. What does it mean? Whenever you work hard for something, you get the reward for that. Okay. Now we are going to continue with our chapter number 1, that is multiplication. Okay. Come on, let's start. Fill in the blanks to get the table of 6. Okay. I will show you with the help of the pictures. Now tell me, what is this? These are the balls, right? How many balls are there? 6 balls. And they are placed in one group. One group के अंदर कितने balls है? 6 balls. तो हम कैसे लिखेंगे? One group of 6 balls gives 6. Now यहाँ पे देखो कितने ग्रुप्स है 6 बॉल्स के? 2 ग्रुप्स है ना, 1 and 2. तो 2 groups of 6 makes 12. So children, देखो यहाँ पे कौन सा टेबल बन रहा है? 6 का टेबल बनेगा, राइट? 1 6 6 1 whatever you say. 6 1 6, 6 2 12 or 2 6 12. Now comes 3 groups. 3 ग्रुप्स है ना यहाँ पर, तो क्या लिखेंगे? 3 6 18. और अगर हमको रिपीटेड एडिशन में लिखना हो तो कैसे लिखेंगे? 6 plus 6 plus 6, right? Now comes 4 groups. So we will write down 4 6 24. Then comes 5 groups. So we will write down 5 6 30. Then how many groups comes? 7. So we will write down, how many groups are there? 6 groups are there. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So we will write down 6 6 36. Now comes 7 groups. So we will write down 7 6 42. Then how many groups are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 groups. So 8 6 48. Then 9 groups. So we will write down 9 6 54. इसका मतलब क्या हो रहा है पता है आपको कि 6 कितनी बार रिपीट हुआ है? 9 टाइम्स रिपीट हुआ है, राइट? नाउ कम्स 10 ग्रुप्स, यानी कि 6 कितनी बार रिपीट हुआ है? 10 टाइम्स रिपीट हुआ. सो द आंसर विल बी 16. सो एज यू कैन सी चिल्ड्रेन, यहाँ पे हमने जब ये ग्रुप्स का देखा तो हमने लिखा 1 6 2 6 3 6. बट व्हेन यू विल सी हियर, okay, this is the table of 6. 6 1 6, 6 2 12, right? So this way we will write down the answers. And children, you have to learn the tables every day, okay? Then only you will remember. Now children, see what is given here. Smileys, right? How many smileys are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. तो 7 स्माइलीज का अगर 1 ग्रुप होगा तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? 1 7 7, right? Then if 2 groups of 7 are there, then 14. If 3 groups of 7 are there, then 21. 4 sevens are 28. 5 sevens are 35. 6 sevens are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 8 sevens are 56. 9 sevens are 63 and 10 sevens are 70, same as 6, right? 6 में हमने जो देखा था कि एक ग्रुप में 6 ऑब्जेक्ट्स थे, तो हमने 6 का टेबल लिखा, और यहाँ पे एक ग्रुप के अंदर 7 स्माइलीज है, तो हमने 7 का टेबल लिखा, राइट? So children, you have to write down the tables in the blanks. Okay, now look here. What are these? Wow, these are the strawberries. Okay, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 strawberries. So in one group, 8 strawberries are there. तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? 1 8 8. When 2 are there, then 2 8 16. If 3 groups of 8 strawberries are there, then 3 8 24. When 4 groups are there, then 4 8 32. Same way the continuity is given here. 5 8 40. Then comes 6 8 48. Next is 8 7 56. Then 8 8 64. Then 9 groups, if 9 groups of 8 strawberries are there, then 9 8 72. And when 10 groups of 8 strawberries are there, then 10 8 80. Okay? So this way children, 7 and 8 we had done here. 9 and 10 you will do it in your book. Okay? It is very easy. You have to just write down the tables. Now we are going to learn children order property of multiplication. Okay? Children, you remember we had learned the property in addition also. Okay? Addition में क्या property हमने learn की थी? That when you add any number, okay, you either add 2 plus 3 or you add 3 plus 2. Our answer will remain same. Okay? तो यहाँ पे multiplication में भी हम एक property देखने वाले हैं. Now see with the help of this picture what is given. See, this is the one group of 3 balls. एक ग्रुप के अंदर कितने balls हैं? 3 balls, right? अब ये सेकेंड ग्रुप में कितने balls हैं? Again 3 balls. Then comes third group. Again 3 balls. Then comes fourth group. Again 3 balls. And then this is the fifth group. Again 3 balls. Okay? तो हर एक ग्रुप में कितने balls हैं? 3 balls है, right? तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? यहाँ पर टोटल कितने ग्रुप्स हुए? 1 2 3 4 and 5. So 5 groups of 3 balls. So what we will write down? 5 groups of 3 balls. How many? When you will count, see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. Okay? तो कितने balls हुए total? 15. And when we write in the multiplication form, we will write down 5 3s are 15. Okay? Now, अभी मैंने balls को ना अलग अलग तरीके से अरेंज किया है. देखो यहाँ पे पिक्चर में एक ग्रुप के अंदर मैंने कितने बॉल्स डाल दिए? अभी पहले कितने थे? 3 बॉल्स थे, लेकिन अभी एक ग्रुप में कितने बॉल्स डाले हैं? 5. See, 1 2 3 4 and 5 balls. Okay? In another group, again 5 balls and then again 5 balls. Okay? यहाँ पे जैसे मैंने 5 ग्रुप्स बनाए थे, तो यहाँ पे कितने ग्रुप्स बनाए हैं? 3 ग्रुप्स बनाए हैं, राइट? लेकिन हमने बॉल्स कितने रखे हैं? 5 रखे हैं. ओके? सो I will write down here 3 groups of 5. So again my answer will be 15. है ना, हम लोग यहाँ पे काउंट करेंगे तो अगेन कितने बॉल्स होंगे, 15. एंड इन मल्टीप्लीकेशन फॉर्म व्हाट विल राइट डाउन, 3 5 15. तो यहाँ पे आपने देखा 5 3 अगर हम लिखते हैं तो भी 15 और 3 5 लिखते हैं तो भी 15. So what can you see here children, that two numbers you can place in any way, okay? In multiplication order is not important, right? So when two numbers can be multiplied in any order, the product remains the same. Product यानी जो आंसर होता है ना मल्टीप्लिकेशन का, यहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट क्या है, 15 प्रोडक्ट है हमारा, राइट? So children, either you say 2 3s are 6 और 3 2s भी बोलोगे तो क्या होगा, 6, right? Then suppose I say 8 9s is 72. तो 9 8 भी क्या होगा, 72. तो नंबर को हम आगे पीछे करेंगे तो हमारा आंसर रहेगा सेम, ओके? Now one more important thing in multiplication you have to remember children, that when 0 is multiplied by any number then it gives 0, okay? तो 0 को कोई भी नंबर के साथ आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो आपका आंसर क्या रहेगा, 0. See, I will show you the example here. What is given, 0 5 तो यहाँ पे 5 को किसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई किया है, 0 के साथ, तो आंसर विल बी 0. Then here 0 1 0. Here what is given, 0 8 is 0. यहाँ पे देखो हमने 0 को सेकेंड नंबर पे लिखा है, यहाँ पे फर्स्ट 7 लिखा है, तो भी हमारा आंसर क्या होगा, 7 0 0. So any number, whatever number you take, suppose you take 300 number, okay? So 300 multiplied by 0 also, the answer will be 0. See children, now we will see the exercise number 4, okay? Here fill in the blanks is given. Now you have to see these blanks very carefully, okay? And then we will write down the answer. What is given in the first one? If 4 5 is 20, then 5 4 also, what will come children? Just now only I told you that order is not important in multiplication. So when we write 4 5 20, then 5 4 also, what will be the answer? 20. Now next is what given? What is given? 5 7s. Children don't get confused here. यहाँ पे आपको 5 7 35 नहीं लिखना है, right? नहीं तो अगर आप 35 लिखोगे तो यहाँ पे 35 5 करना पड़ेगा आपको. हमको यहाँ पे इक्वल साइन है तो क्या करेंगे, नंबर को चेंज करेंगे, 5 7 and 7 5. And what is the answer of 7 5 35. So 5 7 भी 35, 7 5 भी 35. What is next? 6 8. यहाँ पे 6 8 है तो यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे, 8 6. Okay, 6 8 or 8 6. What is the answer? 48. Okay, so this 3 we had done and the rest 3 children you tried by your own. Okay children. So now what will be your homework? You have to complete exercise number 2, 3 and 4 on page number 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay. Okay children, bye and have a nice day.